Hi everyone, Mark Prettyman here. Today I will be talking to you about the text editor Atom. Atom was originally developed by GitHub. It is free and open source text editor and was originally released in June of 2015. It uses a lot of different third-party apps to help customize the look of the editor and to add a lot of customized feature. Here's the website, atom.io. I downloaded the 1.34 Windows release, which is the latest, although you can get it for other platforms. When you first open the program, you'll see it comes up with a welcome screen and a welcome guide. The welcome guide allows you to open up a project, which is more or less a summary of different files. I'll show a little bit more about that in opening folders in a second. You can install packages, install a new theme if you want. You can customize styling, and many things about the different keyboard shortcuts. I'll go back to the website briefly to show that, as far as the packages, there's well over 8,000 different packages and nearly 3,000 different themes to customize it as much as you'd like. First, I'd like to go ahead and open a folder that I have opened before. Now, this one is simply a trial folder of an index HTML, the main CSS, and main JS of an app. As you can see, with these are open, you can go ahead and open each of the individual files. Let me get rid of this welcome screen here. As you can see in looking at the index main and main files, that they have color coding for some of the different words, some of the brackets, the braces, and tags that we have here. And as you can see, this is a black background with a lot of the colors of the words popping. If we go back to the welcome guide and choose a different theme, we'll open the theme picker. You can see that this is a dark theme. If I were to choose a light theme with light syntax, we now see a much whiter UI and whiter writing. I personally prefer the darker look, so I'm going to change it back very quickly. One other thing I like about it is the editor settings. You'll notice here that I've purposely put all the words to the left, but in the other two mains, you see that it does indeed have the tab settings. Back over in the settings, you go to the editor, and you can have a lot of different things about the tabs, the indentation. You can show the invisible characters such as spaces and returns, such as what I've done here. So you can see the returns a little bit and the tabs. Now, in a comparison to Notepad, you can see that it does indeed have the color coding, and it does have collapsible sections. You can't quite see it, but when you go to the left, you'll see that you do have sections that are collapsible. Probably better seen in the JavaScript area. You can collapse an individual setting, like for this individual variable, it shows up with this little guy here to show that it's collapsed. And very similar to Notepad, you can hover over an area or select an area, and it's not as pronounced, but you see there's a little blue line under this brace here, and there's another brace under there. So it does show you where things start and finish, although it doesn't do so much with the words, which is not too bad. As far as packages, it does have linting packages. Again, if you go to the packages, I searched for lint and linter, and there's a bunch of different things. I've already installed a couple here. So like if I get rid of this comma, you'll see there's a little error here that there is a hint that there is a comma expected. Similarly, there is a beautifying section, which I've done here. I've put everything in the HTML to the left. If I use beautify, it populates spaces. I definitely like it, and I think I'll definitely be using it going forward as opposed to Notepad. My 5 minutes are up, so Thanks. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me a line. I'll be glad to discuss Atom. Take care. Bye.